Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. This time we are going to unbox another package that we purchased from the Cred discount store. Since in our last video we broke our pen, I am using the screwdriver to open our package. Right? I guess I gotta get something specifically exclusively to open packages. So let's open this box. The description on the box says we have a homemade decor. Let's open this. Oh, we got several packages here. Nice. Just like our last video where we unboxed the camphor package. So we got incense sticks this time. And what is the cost of this? Let's read it on the package itself. It is 80 rupees. This is 80. This is 80. This again is 80. And also this is 80. A bit too expensive for a small package like this. So let's continue unboxing this package. This is a very small package. We have some incense sticks inside here. You can look at the name of the product. It is Floraline, uh, Flor, Lauren, Floranile, Floranile. So, oh, okay, it is Floranile for Floranile. Sorry, it is Floranile. They have, mentioned the website here, and this is Sandalwood ऑर्गेनिक दिस इज ऑल ऑर्गेनिक दैट इज व्हाई ये थोड़ा कॉस्टली है उनका इंस्टाग्राम का भी इन्होंने यहाँ स्कैन कोड दिया है एंड ये जून में मैन्युफैक्चर हुआ है ये सारा चार पैकेज भी जून का है या जून 2025 में मैन्युफैक्चर हुआ है बट इतना छोटा पैकेज के लिए हम 80 रुपीज दे रहे हैं ये पूरा अगरबत्ती बोलते हैं इसको इंग्लिश में इंसेंस स्टिक बोलते हैं सो वी गॉट सैंडलवुड वी गॉट Indian rose, we got lemongrass, we got Kasturi. I'm not sure what Kasturi is. Let's open the first package for sandalwood. It has nice smell. I'm already getting the incense, the smell of the incense stick. Let me get this closer to my face. Okay, but probably it has about 20 or 30 pieces. And again, but this is an expensive product. With comparison to the normal incense sticks that we get in the market, this is expensive. Oh, that just fell down, man. Let me open the other packages as well and see what color they are of. This is lemongrass. Will it be green in color? No, it's again brown. Oh my god, I can smell the lemongrass, man. Like it is written on the package, it is all organic. Let me see, this is rose. Yeah, I can get the fragrance, slight fragrance of rose here, and this is Kasturi. I'm not sure what Kasturi fragrance is. It is again brown. I'm not sure whether this is going to be a hit in the market because people are not gonna pay 80 bucks for this small package. Probably the packaging looks small. Even then, 80 bucks is a big deal. If it is a premium product, definitely people would buy it. Looks like it is a premium product. So this was the unboxing of floral floranile dot floranile incense sticks. This is a premium product, I guess. It is having a Instagram handle. It is having its own website and some more details. Ingredients. They have also mentioned ingredients. Oh, this is sandalwood. What are the ingredients for sandalwood? See the ingredients for sandalwood. What is it for lemongrass? What is it for? Rose, Indian rose. And Kasturi. I would want to know what is Kasturi. Flower powder. Flower powder, mixed herbs, natural resins, water and pure essential oils. There are some more designs printed here. It is 100% hand rolled, encouraging labor, manual labor. Probably, handmade would be done by women or children. I'm not sure whether they check for that. Made from flowers, all natural herbs, 100% organic, charcoal free, no chemical. That's why it is costly. So this was the unboxing of Floranile incense sticks. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Bye.